हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। रिमोट जॉब्स का मार्केट इंडिया में जहां से इंडियन फ्रेशर्स और एक्सपीरियंस्ड कैंडिडेट्स रैपिडली ग्रो कर रहा है।
What if I tell you that you can create YouTube animation videos like this without showing your face, without using your voice, and without knowing video editing? Sounds impossible, right? Let me show you how. Before starting, let me tell you the best part. We are going to use only 3 completely free websites, and the entire process takes just a few minutes, or I would say that 5 minutes. The very first website is ChatGPT. Everyone knows what is ChatGPT, what it can do. So this is the first website that we are going to use for this. Let's say we have an idea but don't know what to say in the video. So this is why we are using ChatGPT to write our script. In this, I am going to just write simply explain me what is artificial intelligence. See, within a minute we got the script. But we can see that the script is very lengthy. And we can do one thing over here, that we can just customize it. For that we have to write give me it in 4 to 5 sentences so that it can become a short and we can understand what we have to create. See, we got the script within 4 to 5 sentences and within a minute. So in this way we can create a simple script if we don't know what to say in our video. So this is the first part that we have to complete for creating the Stickman animation videos. Next part is to convert this script into a Stickman animation. For that we are going to use Google Flow. So it is free for now to create the videos, and here what we have to do, we have to create our account using the Google account. We can use that, and after that we will go to new process. Here a new page will be open like this, and all we have to do is to write the prompt over here. If you see that nano banana is written over here, then we can just switch it to video, and this is for one video generation and this is for 2 video generation and 3 and 4. So here if we wanted to generate one video from our single prompt, then the credits used will be 15 credits. So it is really important to understand the length of the script that we are going to use. And also one more thing that I have to tell you in this video, that while giving prompt, make sure to use less words because the video will be generated is of 10 seconds only. So let's get started. What I will do, I will just copy this first sentence up to here and paste it over here. Before that we will write use Stickman animation, Stickman animation to create this video. And press this button. It will start creating the video for us about the prompt that we have given. Now let's wait. We can see that the process has been started and we can wait for some more time. It takes time to generate the video. we can see over here that the percentage of video it is generated till now. Here we can see that the video has been generated. Now let's play this.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that enables machines and computers to perform tasks that only.
So here we will Next part is after downloading the video, what we will do, we will upload it to the 123 apps. So this is the video editing app which I have used to edit my video, specifically to remove the logo from the video that we have generated. So here we can see that the logo of Gemini is also in it, so we have to remove that to upload it on the YouTube so that we don't get any kind of copyright strike. For that I have used this 123 apps. It is a free app. I do not need to sign in as well. We can just simply create a new project. For that we have to click it over here. After uploading the video, we can see that there are various features that are available over here. So for video we have the feature as cropping the video, trimming it, increasing the speed or decreasing it, and removing color. And for audio we are having the volume, detach volume. If we are having any kind of volume over in the video, then we can just detach that audio. And the reduce noise also, there is one feature for that, but we are using this remove logo feature to remove the logo. So what I have done, I have just simply clicked it over here on the feature called remove logo and simply annotate the logo and apply. We can see that the logo has been hidden. One thing I wanted to tell over here is that when we are removing the logo, it is not removing exactly, it is just blurring that part. So when you are also removing it, make sure to remove the logo part only and not the entire video. Then we can just simply export it from here and download the video and upload wherever we want. And that's it. No editing skills, no camera, no microphone, and no expensive software required. By using these 3 free websites, we can just simply create Stickman animation videos in just a few minutes. I would say that it hardly takes me 10 minutes to create this video. And if I am using it personally, it takes me only 5 minutes to create this. So this is what I have been creating, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.